Poem Try Again, Class 10th, Lecture 7, page 29 to 35. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Cellos, you can see in front of your screen. So today is unit 3 try again bookwork. Definitely first there's a theme. You must have to know what is in the poem and what reflects or what the poet want to say or highlight what the things. So vocabulary here, these words are also given to you in notes, and synonyms you have to find it yourself from the dictionary. Reading comprehension, these all the questions and these answers of these questions are also given on notes, and I also share it on during the lecture and or after the lecture. Now there's a grammar portion. Simile, as you know, there are also given to the notes. Simile as and like, to apparently unlike things, so we can use or say there's a simile. So there is a dash as turtle, as slow as turtle, as quiet as mouse, as black as coal, as tall as giraffe, as sour as lemon, as sweet as honey. फिलिंग दी ब्लैंक्स टू मेक सिमिलेज, यूज़ दी सिमिलेज इन सेंटेंस. आपने ये जो सिमिलेज हैं इनको सेंटेंस में खुद लिखना है. जैसे कि जो है एक सेंटेंस है यहाँ पे मेंशन है, सम ऑफ आवर टीचर्स एज स्वीट एज हनी, ही वॉज क्वाइट एज माउस, so these are the sentences as you can use these similes in sentences. Now alliteration, repetition of these repetition of words are also called alliteration. So sea sells by the seashore, same sounds pronouns is an alliteration. So read the poem, read again and find out the example of alliteration. आपने क्या करना है, पोएम में एलिट्रेशन की एग्जांपल्स को फाइंड करना है एंड राइट देयर. एंड नाउ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. व्हाट इज़ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन? As you know that personal pronoun is I, we, you, they, and us, it, him, or these are the personal pronouns. So fill in the blanks with correct pronoun. There is a need to shout, I can hear you, you and I work well together, we are a good team, we have got a bit of a problem, could you help us please? This is a good photo, isn't it? Is Samina in it? Yes, they're here. Look, she is next to Fahad. Who did this mowing? Yes, I did it this morning. Is this Hamad bag? No, he didn't bring one. I can't belong to him. It can't belong to him, sorry. I am looking for my shoes. Have you seen them? Yes, they are here. And select a personal pronoun that agrees with the subject of each sentence. The group has its meeting here. Anyone can get his name in the news. None of the checks were cashed. They finally expired. My mother and her sister took their vacation together. All are welcome. They just need to call for direction to the party. Venus and Mars have their orbits nearer to Earth than to any other planets. The band starts its tour tomorrow night, and any of the candidates could win. They are very much alike. Everybody has its own dream and goals. A degree of adjective. So degree of adjective, you are very well known of it. Positive, comparative and superlative. So let's to read these correct degrees of adjective. My family, I went to visit Murray last summer. Of all the summers I have had, I could say this was the best summer ever. Good का third form best होता है. In Murray we enjoyed the horse ride. I rode a horse that ran faster and faster on the hills. Now here we use comparative degree. We also climbed a tree, and when I reached the highest branch, I was more tired than my sister. Now when we use comparison, he is comparison to his to her sister. So there we use comparative degree. I bought a jacket when it was quite expensive, quite expensive, and my sister chose a sweater because she found it much cheaper to buy. After our trip, I feel I am luckiest boy on. So order of adjectives, here a number of adjectives are used together. The order depends on the function of adjective. जहाँ पे वैल्यू ओपिनियन आता है वो 1 होता है. डिग्री ऑफ ऑर्डर size 2, age and temperature 3, 4 shape, 5 color, 6 origin, 7 material. Arrange the adjective using the correct order. We saw grey, huge, dash whale in the sea. इसमें आप कहेंगे a huge grey. बाबर यूज़ द ब्लू मीडियम रबर बास्केट प्रैक्टिस. तो इसमें आप क्या लिखेंगे, पहले कौन सी डिग्री आएगी, मीडियम, देन ब्लू एंड देन रबर. Marine bought few a chocolate dark triangular and dash bars to the birthday party. इसमें आप लिखेंगे a few a few dark triangular chocolate bars to the birthday party. The pyramids of Egypt are made out of dashed like means rock and enormous rectangular boulders. इसमें आप लिखेंगे enormous rectangular rock. Next one, Shahid can eat thin crust square 5 pizza slices. यहाँ आएगा 5 thin crust square. So here's how we order or arrange the adjectives as we mentioned above. We firstly degree number 1, value, opinion, 2 size, 3 age, temperature, 4 shape, 5 color, 6 origin and 7 material. Adjective phrase. What is adjective phrase? This adjective phrase is a group of words that function like adjective. Means a group of words that function like adjective. Number 1, the black umbrella is mine. इसमें जो black है वो adjective phrase है. The umbrella with the broken handle is mine. वो umbrella जिसकी एक हैंडल टूटा हुआ है, अब उसको टूटा हुआ हैंडल उस umbrella को more unique कर रहा है, तो this is also an adjective phrase. So here page number 35, pick out the adjective phrase in each sentence. He bore a manner with the strange devices. Strange devices in as an adjective phrase. The principal of this school is on leave. On leave यानी कि स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल लीव पर हैं, तो लीव होगा adjective phrase. The decision of the judge is final. Final is an adjective phrase. The top of mountain were covered with snow. Were covered with snow is an adjective phrase. The runner in the rear did not qualify. In the rear is an adjective phrase. So we end here of book work. So we will further continue in next lecture, that is on I think Thursday. We will continue book work further on Thursday. So your diary is these all the book works on your book text notebook. Clearly write these book work on your textbook, and also find alliteration, fill in the blanks to make similes. I have done. So these similes you have to, what you have to do, you have to do these similes in the sentences. At least make one sentence of these similes, and all the book work must write in your own textbook. So we end here. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. सुब्हानकल्लाहुम्मा व बिहम्दिका अशहदु अल्ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता अस्तगफिरुका व अतूबु इलैक.